बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। तर्जुमा अल्लाह के नाम से शुरू जो निहायत मेहरबान रहमत वाला है। You are watching दिल से बातें 454 where stories become lessons and words touch the heart.
Daily wisdom. The power of forgiveness. In a quiet village nestled between mountains lived an old man named Kareem. He was known for his silence, not out of wisdom, but because he carried decades of pain. Years ago, his closest friend betrayed him, taking away not just his trust, but also his land. Kareem never spoke about it, but the wound, it grew deeper each year. Bitterness became his only companion, and slowly, his health began to fail. People thought age was the reason, but the real burden was unforgiveness. One evening, a traveler came to the village. He spoke at a small gathering and said, "Holding on to resentment is like drinking poison and expecting the other person to die." Those words hit Kareem like thunder. That night, sitting alone by the fire, he whispered something he hadn't said in years. "I forgive him." The next morning, something had changed. His face looked lighter. His steps were steadier. And for the first time in years, he smiled at the morning sun. No, he hadn't changed the past, but he had finally freed himself from it. Forgiveness didn't mean forgetting. It meant choosing peace over pain. That was the day Kareem truly started living again.
If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. You were watching Dil Se Baatein 454, where stories become lessons and words touch the heart. We'll meet again with another heartfelt story. Until then, take care. Allah Hafiz.